Hi, this is Sally and Richard Traveling. Thanks for joining us today. We are still in the country of Mexico. We have traveled 2 hours north of Mexico City to this beautiful city called Queretaro, Mexico. And this is a city that is full of very old architectural buildings as well as incredibly modern. It's a city that's on the rise. 2 million people live here. A lot of industry is here, so jobs are prevalent. A lot of people leaving Mexico City to come and live in Queretaro and escape the high population and crowded streets of Mexico City. We are about to take a trolley car ride here that's going to take us all through the areas of the central part of Queretaro. And we're quite excited about this. It's an open air car. And we're going to have a guide that's going to be describing all of the historical landmarks here in Queretaro. So the weather is beautiful, sunny, not too hot, not too cold. We love it. It doesn't rain a whole lot here, but yet it's green. So it's in a valley, and we're standing in the one of the old central parts of the downtown area here. There's a few central squares here in Queretaro. So anyway, come and enjoy Queretaro if you're visiting Mexico. It's a beautiful place to come to. Selena? Okay, we're boarding our open-air streetcar here to take the tour of downtown El Centro in Queretaro. What a nice bus. We've got big, long wooden benches in here. It's very wide. They were gracious and let us sit in the back so we could get really good camera shots. So the service is just excellent. And you can do a number of different kinds of tours. You could be on a regular bus and sit up in the top in the open air. But this is more like a street car. But I'm excited.
Vamos a comenzar con nuestro recorrido. Mi compañero Jorge, un servidor Marco, los llevaremos a conocer el Cerro de las Campanas, que es hoy por hoy el monumento histórico más importante que tiene Querétaro. Ya iremos platicando. Es examen grupal, cualquiera puede contestar.
Okay, we're on our trolley car ride here, streetcar, going through Queretaro. We have the tour guide who's giving all of the information in Spanish.
Así es que amigos, preparados.
Okay, that's the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed that. That's a brief tour of Queretaro, Mexico. Sally, do you have any comments on the tour?
I loved it. It was great, exciting. Got to get outside of the central area here and see some other parts of the city. Thanks for recommending it, Ricardo. Hi, it's Richard and Sally Traveling. Thanks for joining us today. We are still in the country of Mexico, but we have traveled a couple hours north of Mexico City to Queretaro, Mexico. This is a beautiful city of about 2 million people. It's full of very old architecture, but very modern architecture as well. It's a city that's on the rise. It's growing like crazy right now. Many people are coming out of Mexico City to live in Queretaro. We just took a great streetcar ride that took us all around the city and gave us all the details of the history of the independence of Mexico. So I highly recommend it. The food is good, the people are wonderful, the weather is just perfect. Not too hot, not too cold, very enjoyable.